Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today is the weekend. My son and I, we caught up a fancier close by, and we're gonna be buying some hens because I am short on hens. So we're gonna be buying at least 4 or 5 hens for the flock. I don't have a pigeon carrier, so I do have this little small dog kennel that I'll be using. But my son and I were here to meet up with a local fancier. He's got some birds, and last year I bought from the same guy. So I'm gonna probably do it off camera, and I'll show you guys the birds when we get home. Thanks, guys. Come on, buddy, let's go. We got the carrier. My son's leading the way. We're gonna go meet up this fancier. Come on, bud. So I did get the okay from the owner here to do a video. So I am gonna do some videos. And here is his first loft. Beautiful pigeons. Lots and lots of nice birds here. So we are looking for at least 4 hens. So yeah, I'll show you guys the inside when he opens up here. But these are his birds. Let's see here. A little wild. Okay, but go back this way. Nice birds. Yeah, he's got 2 aviaries, but one, it's an open loft. Go through the fence, buddy. Oh, okay, come on, get up. Careful there.
Hit the drift.
Yeah. All right, this is his second loft here. Okay, we stay here.
I'm gonna go shag them out.
Yeah. Yes, but these are just some nice birds you got here. Lots of nice birds. All right, we bought birds. We bought some birds. All right, we are home. And we bought birds. So we are gonna go through them one by one and see what you guys think. All right, let me get them out. Yeah, it's still snowing here in the state where I'm at. Sorry, you guys are gonna just see my feet because I'm using one hand to record. All right. And these are the bird. Well, these are the new birds. All right. We're gonna do a release one at a time. I'm not gonna quarantine the birds because the owner that sold me these birds his birds are very healthy, and I'm sure there's no diseases or anything. I'm just gonna throw right in with my coop with my birds. So yeah, we're gonna do one by one. So I did buy from this guy before. He's got some good birds. So first bird is a light check. It's a hen. It's got a little splash on the eye and the neck here. It's a pretty big hen. No band, because I don't plan to I don't plan to fly these birds. Just gonna prison them and get some yearlings off of them. But these are all some pretty good bloodline, he said. They're crosses. Forgot the name of the bloodline. First bird, I'm gonna let it go in there. Okay. Second bird. This blue bar white flight. This is the only cock bird that I bought from him. Everything else is hen. It's a white flight. Blue bar white flight, I believe. Look at the eye on this thing. It's a pretty bird. Pretty decent bird. They're kind of wild. No band. Okay.
How many birds did you get?
5 birds. All right, third bird is a dark check hen. Feels pretty good in the hands. Dark check. Nothing special, just hens. I needed some more hens, so yep, I'm gonna let this one go. Fourth bird. This is he said it's a Staff Van Reek crossed with a black eagle. I think that's like some ash on it. Not sure, but pretty bird. Lost some tails there. It's got a band. This one's got a band. It's a ARPU 2022 bird. 4233 is the band. This one's got a nice eye too. It's like right there. And this is the last one. I bought a little hen, little blue bar hen. She feels good in the hand. She's tiny, but I think she'll make some good yearlings. I like the eye on this bird.
Oh, she's got some nice colors.
Yep, I'm gonna let her go. That's it. That's all the birds I bought to join the flock. Alright, so that's that hen back there that I just bought. My little blue bar cock, he's doing his coo thing. Hopefully these hens pair up with these guys so I could get some 2023 young birds. I am expanding, so I that's why I went out and bought some more hen birds and another cock bird. I mean, for a good deal, 5 birds, you know, I can't say no, so I bought them. Oh, there go that black eagle with the Staff Van Reek blood. Right there. Yeah. My foundation bird is doing this thing. It's a nice little hen. That is it, guys. I got 5 new birds, so hopefully I get some good flying young birds this year. We'll see how it goes. Good afternoon. These are the new birds. They're not quite settled in yet. Still kind of wild. The 5 straight across on top, those are the new birds. That cock is the far right with the white flight blue bar. And the 4 hens is on the top row right there. 4 going across. They're trying to settle in here, but they're still pretty wild, kind of shy. And they do look good though. Yeah, that splash red check there is son of my foundation bird. I missed banding that bird last season. That one got a little bit older. I couldn't put a band on it, but if it gets paired up, I'll put on a band, detachable band.